Hey guys, a very warm welcome to you all. So today in this video we will discuss some of the most important questions which are related to the color revolutions. And here I will discuss 15 questions which are very important for the competitive exams. So let's begin. So the very first question is brown revolution is related to which of the following? And the options are potato, groundnut, leathers or coca, food grain. So the right answer for this question is leather or coca. And next question is silver revolution is related to, and the options are fertilizers, groundnut, coconut, egg or poultry. And the right answer is egg or poultry. Silver revolution is related to egg or poultry. So let's move to the next questions. Next question is black revolution is related to, and the options are tomato, petroleum, coconut, oilseed. And the right answer for this question is petroleum. So black revolutions is related to petroleum. The next question is green revolution is related to which of the following? And the options are potato, onion, horticultures and food grain. So the right answer for this question is food grain. So guys, this one is very important questions. Please do remember the answers of these questions if it comes in exams. And the next one is who is known as the fathers of green revolutions? And this question is frequently asked in exams. So this one is very important for your exams. And the options for these questions are Norman Borlaug, Borges Kurian, M.S. Swaminathan, J.P. Narayan. And the right answer for this question is Norman Borlaug. The fathers of green revolution is Norman Borlaug. Pink revolution is related to, the options for these questions are onion or prawn, groundnut, coconut, flower. And the right answer for this question is onion or prawn. Next question is purple revolution is related to, and the options are flower, lavender, coconut and tomato. So the right answer for this question is lavender. Purple revolution is related to lavender. So guys, this question is very important because it was in news recently, as the farmers of Jammu and Kashmir has doubled their income by the cultivations of this lavender. So do remember this one. So the next question is grey revolution is related to, and the options are fertilizers, groundnut, coconut and egg. And the right answer for this question is fertilizers. Grey revolution is related to fertilizers. Yellow revolution is related to which of the following? And the options are flower, oilseed, coconut and egg. And the right answer for this question is oilseed. Yellow revolution is related to oilseed. So let's move to the next questions. Who is the fathers of the Indian green revolutions? And the options are Norman Borlaug, Borges Kurian, M.S. Swaminathan, J.P. Narayan. And the right answer for this question is M.S. Swaminathan. So M.S. Swaminathan is the fathers of Indian green revolutions. So guys, the fathers of Indian green revolution is M.S. Swaminathan. So do not get confused with the fathers of green revolution and fathers of Indian green revolutions. The fathers of Indian green revolution is M.S. Swaminathan and the father of green revolution is Norman Borlaug. Do not get confused with these questions. So let's move to the next questions. Round revolution is related to which of the following? Potato, onion, tomato, food grain. And the right answer is potato. So round revolution is related to potato. Fiber revolution is related to horticulture, jute, cotton, food grain. And the right answer for this question is cotton. So the cotton is related to fiber revolutions. And the next question is golden revolution is related to which of the following? And the options are horticulture or honey, jute, cotton, food grain. And the right answer for this question is horticulture or honey. And the next question is golden fiber revolution is related to horticulture, jute, cotton, food grain. And the right answer is jute. So guys, here we came across three questions: fiber revolutions, golden revolutions and golden fiber revolutions. So do not get confused with these questions. And the next question is blue revolution is related to which of the following? And the options are petroleum, oilseed, cotton and fish. And the right answer for this question is fish. Blue revolution is related to fish. And the next question is red revolution is related to which of the following? And the options are potato, meat, tomato, carrot, onion. And the right answer for this question is meat or tomato. So here we are with the last questions of the video, and the question is, who is the fathers of the white revolution? And the options are Norman Borlaug, Varghese Kuren, M.S. Swaminathan, and J.P. Narayan. So the right answer for this question is Varghese Kuren. So Varghese Kuren is the fathers of white revolutions. So guys, all the questions that I have discussed in this videos are very important for the exams, and this much for today, and I will be with another topic in the next video.